You're being a bit silly, mate. Nah. I tried to put seal in silly. Didn't work.
Yeah, no, good try. Adrian, what do you got there, mate?
It's the Bostik Xtreme Flex.
How's that help you out now compared to what was there beforehand?
Well, I can use it in the wet, so when it's raining, you can seal up all your joins and everything, so you don't lose any time on the job.
Nice. Well, this tube's a little bit like myself, extreme strength. I got the Extreme High Tack. We've used it now in a number of applications. Ceiling roses, quad on eave sheets, number of heavy pavers on walls, and especially on the walls, probably a hold for around 2 or 3 minutes.
Yep.
Job's done.
Nice.
Once the job's done in 2 to 3 minutes, the dollar signs come in, mate.
What's your take on using cheap product?
Cheap product, ordinary job. Quality, tested product. Perfect job.
What do you think about that slogan, Adrian?
Terrible.
Oh, mate, come on.